Alright, what's up guys? So today we're going to be building a weather application using the OpenWeather API. So let's just get straight into it. So I already have an API key already, so I'm just going to import that. I already set out a layout already. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a function. Not in a function, let's test to see if this works. So we're going to fetch, copy this, paste that in, replace API key. Alright, paste in the API key afterwards now. There we go. For some reason it's okay. What did I, oh yeah, city name, that's why. Alright, let's do London for now. There we go. That works. So for this one I think I want to put weather description. I want that. So weather description. I also want the temperature. I think just the temperature, weather description, and yes, I think that's it really. Alright, let's build it out then. So I already laid this out. I'm gonna call this weather container. And then I'm thinking it's in an input. I type text, and then I'm going to say, I'm just gonna call this user input for now. And then I'm gonna create a button. It's an ID of Summit BTN, I guess. And then if we come right here, you can see right there. And then what we're going to do is that I'm gonna create a next, or should we have this into a div by itself? You don't know when you might need it. Put that into a div by itself. And then this div right here, I want somewhere, I'm gonna make this a paragraph text. Let's compare h3, and then I want this one to be a paragraph text. I want this to say whether in city name. That's basically what I want, whether in that name. So that's what we're going to do. Let's begin, shall we? Or maybe what we could do is that we can actually ditch this, and instead actually ditch this altogether. I'm gonna call it display weather, and then this right here can be weather input. I'm going to do const. So we need the user input. So I'm going to say user input equal input, and then now create a function now called search weather. Maybe make that async, and then basically get this fetch right here. I'm going to do const res await, and then const data equal await rest.json, and then console.log data one submit btn dot add event listener, the add event listener click, and then one search weather. There we go. And then just to make it easier, I want to be able to click enter. So I'm gonna do user input key down search. Oh no, let's forget this one. If e dot key equal to enter, which we're gonna put e right there. Search weather like that. Alright, let's see if this works. So let's do London. Click. Nice. Oh, actually no, we need to do something else with it. So for the fetch part, what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to do for Q right here, I'm going to put this right here, user input dot value, and then also going to do and unit equal metric. If we type in London, there we go, gives us London. Hell yeah. If you type in, let's say, New York, it gives us New York. Nice. Gives us New York red weather. Gives us, where's temperature? Yeah, temp in Celsius for me. Alright, that's nice. Let's say user input dot value equal that. So that way, if we did this, like London, clears out. What we want to do is that, and actually first, let me do this first. Try. Why? Because in case any error. And then catch ER. And then we're just going to do console.log ER dot message, whatever it has. So for whatever city not found, yeah, I want that. So yeah, let's console.log data message. I ain't giving that. I think because it's outside the block, maybe that's why. Alright, I want to remove the try statement for now because it doesn't really work. I want to do display weather dot inner HTML template, and then I want to display weather in city, so I'm going to do h3 and I'm going to say weather in data.name, and then after that I want to get like this paragraph tag that displays the temperature, or not display temperature yet, weather, and then description, so weather dot description save. So and weather is not defined. Weather is not defined. What? Oh, data, right? Data.weather. Sorry, completely forgot. So there we go. Weather in Los Angeles, clear sky. What else do we want? Oh, the temperature. So I think this is in it's in main. So main dot temp. Alright, so data dot main dot temp. So we do that. There we go. And I want to have C to show that it's Celsius. Great. I don't know how you get like the little like circle for degrees. I think there's a way. I could look it up, but yeah, this can work for now. Can do country, so SYS dot country. So weather in SIS data dot SIS dot country. So if I type in, let's say something like Kingston, so it's Jamaica, 30 degrees, yeah, it's really hot here. So yeah, sunrise, sunset, I need to convert that, figure out how to do that. Yeah, I don't know what else, but that's basically it. So all that's left is obviously the styling and me recording for 20 minutes. So yeah, I think this is it from me at this rate. So I'm going to do style. Yeah, the styling part is boring, so come back to you for that.